Hello and welcome to Nexlink Andover, and this is Dan Lockwood from Lockwood Sales, and we're putting some vinyl signs up today. This is the other door sign that we're putting up first, and just a little instruction here to help you put your signage together. A couple things you'll need: some glass cleaner. You want to clean off that window real nice if it's a window, if it's glass, and if you're using it on a metal door. I know both places, Auburn Hills and Eveleth, have some metal doors as well. Just make sure you wipe it down and get it real nice and clean. You're going to possibly need scissors. I'm going to send one of these vinyl applicators along, and I can't send the tape along, but some painter's tape, some blue or green painter's tape. Hopefully my shadow's not messing that up too much. Nice and sunny here today. Okay, so first thing I did was I measured the glass door, and I found dead center here, and we measured the vinyl, and we find center on the vinyl, and then we know where to line up the vinyl to match. Then the second thing we have to do is we're going to tape each of these corners. So I'm going to tape one corner here, one corner here. Now I put this tape up so I got to dead center. I want to tape to the tape. Did that make sense? Okay, the most important thing when you're doing this, I think, is, and I've done so many of these, the most important thing, no bubbles. So important. So we want to make sure that when we're doing this, we work very carefully from the inside out, from the top down. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of the style here. And I'm working from the inside, from the middle, outward, and I'm using that I'm using the edge, and I'm running it. And you can't run over the same spot too many times. You just work your way down really slowly, just like that, and you'll see when it gets nice and adhered to the glass or the metal doors that you won't see any bubbles, and you'll see the material of the door coming through, the solidness of the door. Okay, so I'm with Lisa now, and we're just trying to get this last part here. So Lisa, if you come in just close here, I'm going to just show I'm working from the inside out to get that vinyl in. So I'm just pushing down here on some of the top lettering, getting the next part of the Nexlink, because that's our dead center, is the middle of the E. And I'm just going to keep working from the inside out. And you got to just remove a little bit more of the backing every time you come down. Yeah, see? And then just move it down like that. Now I'm coming down a little bit more. I'm going to push it straight down in the middle. When I do, my motion is from the inside out, just like that, so we don't get any creases. Inside out, and no creases. This is going very well here. This is the ban and gun sign. We're down to our last part here, and I'm coming from the inside. There we go. And like I showed you over here before, I'm going to do this kind of quick this time, but you've already seen it. I'm going to run through, and I'm going to get each one of those letters, kind of do it like I'm handwriting. And I'm going to look for those white spots. I got a lot of them down here because I haven't done this yet. Get those white spots off. And because I've already finished this one over here, I'm going to ask Lisa to back up a little bit, and I'll show you. We start from the bottom, and I use that same scraper to get the tape going here, the backing material from the vinyl itself. You peel it up, and you're going to make sure it's staying down. If it doesn't stay down, you can grab your little squeegee here and just make sure it stays in place. And I'm going to come nice and slow. I'm working it up across from the bottom. Corners are especially difficult. You'll see I went real slow in that corner. And now I'm going to come up here to our logo, and I'm going to remove that tape. And that tape is going to take the vinyl with it there. You see that? come down here, and again with the other corner, just like that, nice and slow. And that's it. Then you just run some Windex on your paper towel, clean it up, and your sign's done. Thank you.